start with this first. I will begin with English. I will say 3-4 expression sentences in English, then I will continue in Greek, and I will continue that way until we finish the tour. I don't want anybody to wait and then nobody to complain. Okay, I want to be fair. So, the name of the active creator is King George I. Took his name from King George I, who was a king in Greece in the 19th century. Well, it was formed by the eruptions between 1866 and 1870. Το όνομα του ενεργού κρατήρα είναι Βασιλιάς Γεώργιος ο Πρώτος, πήρε το όνομά του το Βασιλιά Γεώργιο που ήταν βασιλιάς στην Ελλάδα κατά το 19ο αιώνα. Σχηματίστηκε από τις εκρήξεις μεταξύ του 1866 και 1870. Well, the major eruption of all happened around 1640 before Christ. Before that eruption, the name of the island was not Santorini but Strogili. Strogili means like a round circle. Over here you may see how the island looked like before the major eruption, like a ring-shaped island around 3,700 years ago. And over here you may see what happened after the major eruption. First of all, we have lost the center of the island. Strogili separated to the island of Santorini, as we know it today, Thirassia and the White Island over here. Over here there was a volcano called Pre-Kameni. When the major eruption happened, that volcano was totally destroyed, and after thousands of